Welcome to the Pickcel Artboard feature. In this video, I'll show you how to design signage content for retail, restaurant, and healthcare using our artboard. To begin, go to the Media module and click Add Media to access the artboard feature. There, you'll find various templates to choose from, or you can create your own custom template by clicking Create Custom. You can choose a landscape or portrait layout and change the background color. You can add text with different typefaces and customize font style, color, size, and alignment. Shapes can also be added with customizable color and opacity. And we can bring it front or back as we need. To add media, simply upload or drag and drop from your computer. Menus can also be added and customized by editing the name, description, color, font, and size. Don't forget to hit Save Changes at the bottom once you're done editing. You also have labels and you can edit those properties. And you have a stock picture from Unsplash. Save the artboard as HTML if you want to make changes in future. Artboard saved in JPG format can't be edited later. The artboard you created will be available in Media module. Thanks for watching.